Welcome to an introduction to Proactis and how we can help you achieve greater bottom line value from end-to-end spend control. At Proactis, we specialise in helping organisations improve their operational and financial performance by improving the way they buy and pay for all types of goods and services. We call it spend control and e-procurement. Millions of people and hundreds of organisations around the world use Proactis solutions every day. They range from global Fortune 100 companies, central government agencies and national associations to mid-sized companies in just about every industry, a wide range of local governments and authorities and charities focused on many different causes. One thing every organisation using Proactis has in common is that they're all using it to reduce costs, improve financial control and mitigate supplier risk. In recent years, you may have introduced dramatic efficiencies into your operation to ensure minimised costs for your business. Perhaps your revenue generation is better than it has ever been. So why doesn't your corporate performance leave you with that great feeling? What is still to be done? For many, there are significant untapped savings opportunities. Take a long, hard look at how you manage your corporate spend. Those purchases that are a necessary function of keeping your organisation up and running. The underlying costs of doing business that seem to eat away at your bottom line and return what could be a great success story into mere respectability. And consider the big picture. Look for visibility controls, process efficiencies, cashable economies of scale, and reduced waste and error. Bring your corporate spend under control. As you start to face the challenge and create a new wave of efficiency for your organisation, then Proactis can help you with 3 high-level goals. First, to establish a solid financial foundation for corporate control. Next, creating process transparency that drives accountability. Then you get the tools to exploit new opportunities and achieve measurable savings. Achieving all this rapidly might seem impossible, but we found a way. We identified a fundamental problem at the heart of many organisations. Most finance and procurement leaders want to achieve more, but are held back by systems, processes and increasing complexities. Especially those organisations that have a high number of staff operating across multiple locations and multiple business units, buying a wide range of goods and services with suppliers of all types and sizes, involving a broad range of activities across the entire source-to-settle cycle and across varying information systems and financial management structures. That's a lot of activity performed by a lot of different people, and in most companies means a lot of inefficiency and many opportunities for human error, with very little process standardization or control. This led Proactis to create a vision for best-in-class spend control, removing all barriers to exceptional performance. We've harnessed the latest cloud computing innovations to enable new levels of collaboration between procurement, finance and suppliers of every shape and size. Information silos, process inefficiencies, manual errors and fraud vulnerabilities are removed. Groundbreaking spend control can energize your sourcing, supplier engagement, contract management and the entire purchase to pay and invoicing process. Now you can manage critical day-to-day processes in a streamlined way using thoughtfully designed tools and services. The Proactis Spend Control and e-procurement platform offers a unique combination of software and services to deliver greater bottom line value. Proactis is a highly integrated, streamlined and automated platform end-to-end. Proactis Source to Contract is a suite of applications that can be used as the core of your procurement strategy or as simple enhancements to any purchase to pay application. And when delivered alongside Proactis Purchase to Pay, the combination represents the most comprehensive spend control solution available today. Proactis Purchase to Pay is designed to manage all non-payroll spend. The software streamlines your purchasing and invoice handling processes, imposing vital controls over spending, delivering instant visibility into your cost base and automating inefficient processes. The Proactis Supplier Network is a secure communication channel between you and your suppliers. And Proactis also provides powerful spend analysis and insight across the platform, as well as any third-party data sources to enable informed business decision making. We also provide a range of well-structured expert services delivered by experienced professionals. These include managed service options for sourcing, catalogue management, and document and data capture and full AP automation. But we also recognise that transforming corporate performance is about more than clever software and smart people. It goes far deeper. You don't simply take established processes, then automate them with all their flaws. You transform, automate and manage those processes to make them highly streamlined, optimized and responsive. This shows more detail to our software capabilities. Proactis source-to-contract solutions provide a framework of supplier management, sourcing, contract and catalogue capabilities that enable you to leverage your full buying power, gain best value agreements and maximize the percentage of spend under management across all categories of spend. These are decision support tools that ultimately enable your procurement team to do far more for less. And Proactis purchase-to-pay solutions automate the entire day-to-day buying process, from request through authorization, ordering, invoice processing, and payment via accounts payable, as well as providing innovative business financing options. It provides the linkages between your employees, internal systems, and suppliers that leverage the agreements and established contracts developed by procurement. All of these applications are modular to allow any deployment in any combination or sequence. The Proactis Supplier Network is a vital communication channel that enables you to easily share secure electronic information and transactions with suppliers throughout every stage of the relationship. A channel that provides immediate access to accurate, up-to-date information about each other and the status of current transactions. A channel that makes it easy for each party to provide information and process their side of every transaction. A channel that provides appropriate ways of doing things and is easy for suppliers to use. And a channel that easily integrates with your internal systems. And we believe there are 6 characteristics that make Proactis solutions so powerful in terms of their ability to deliver results. And our mission is to provide these to all of our customers worldwide. An intuitive, easy-to-use design and mobile access that enables your users to perform routine daily purchases on a self-service basis within established organization controls. As a fully electronic solution, Proactis eliminates paper shuffling and lost records. We speed up the process significantly and automatically end-to-end. Built-in controls make it practical to ensure organization-wide compliance with all sourcing, budgetary and approval policies. And Proactis maintains extensive information about past, present and future purchases for analysis and full decision-making. Our solutions are designed to be used in any and many business cultures, providing a user interface in any language and any currency, and managing multiple tax regimes. Finally, our platform is built with clear integration points that utilize standards and tools to make integration into your system environment easy to implement and manage. Our customers continue to measure the benefits of their investment in Proactis, but the investment an organization makes in spend control is mission critical. What are the key indicators suggesting that Proactis will be a business partner with the ability to deliver you success? Your journey with Proactis will be unique. Our solutions have been built from years of experience working with hundreds of organizations around the world addressing their unique corporate goals and priorities. You benefit from this experience. For example, you may want quick wins from tackling maverick spend and improving visibility into your cost base. Alternatively, you may want to ensure corporate governance and compliance and go further by establishing process efficiencies organization-wide, or taking your e-sourcing and e-auctions and supply management processes to new heights, or unlocking profit potential in your supply base. With Proactis Spend Control, you can tackle each of these and more in virtually any order. We can inject capacity and domain knowledge into your programs or manage the delivery of outcomes for you. Let's take a look at a few examples of how Proactis is delivering greater bottom line value today. First, automating accounts payable with Proactis. Mears Group employs 17,000 people, and in partnership with social housing clients, they maintain, repair and upgrade homes of thousands of people. The rapid growth of Mears was resulting in the organisation outgrowing its existing IT systems and processes. The increase in the number of invoices was resulting in difficulties, especially in instances where the branch network needed to be involved in the approval of incoming purchase invoices. The manual, paper-based processes were highly resource-intensive, and if the situation continued, they would be faced with employing a significant number of new accounts payable clerks to accommodate both organic and acquisitive growth. Mears wanted a solution that would enable them to dramatically reduce the manual rekeying being undertaken, improve the accuracy of invoice information coming into the business, and provide instant document transparency. Mears selected Proactis. The result? They have significantly increased the number of invoices they can process through the same size of team. 500% increase in accounts payable efficiency improvements. Full document and data transparency to anybody through a click of a button ensures that exceptions can be rapidly resolved with full audit trail. Now let's have a look at purchase-to-pay automation success with Proactis. CCI is a global provider of severe service control valve solutions used in the power industry, oil and gas industry and pulp and paper plants globally. With headquarters in California, CCI has offices located in 14 countries and has representatives in over 60 other countries. CCI wanted to establish a global framework and put in place transactional rigor to control their indirect spend. Proactis Purchase-to-Pay was selected as it could support a global deployment rapidly and provide multi-currency, multi-language, multi-tax handling capabilities. In addition, the flexibility to manage workflow and other variations across CCI's many different local organisations while maintaining a common global framework of policies and controls. The result? Well, CCI deployed a single enterprise P2P solution across 22 locations of 14 countries within just 9 months. Nearly 100% of indirect spend purchases and supplier selections are now in compliance with corporate authorization policies. Local accounts payable teams have purchase order and receipt visibility to enforce three-way match requirements for payments. They use workflow to speed troubleshooting. And supply chain management now has visibility of global supplier base across spend categories, as well as transactional detail of what is being purchased. Now let's have a look at supplier management success with Proactis. Veolia is an environmental services firm, one of the UK's leading recycling and waste management companies. When the company set out to replace its legacy ERP system with SAP, it recognised it was maintaining detail of over 50,000 suppliers, many of whom were never or rarely used. Clearer visibility of suppliers and accurate up-to-date data was necessary. This included removing duplications, errors, and many one-time use suppliers that were held in disparate databases across 21 legal entities. They also wanted to establish a comprehensive process for supplier qualification and accreditation to ensure the auditing of high-risk elements was carried out correctly, thoroughly, and on a regular basis. Exposure to risks, such as contractors' health and safety processes or liability insurance being neglected, could have a very serious consequence in the event of an accident. They chose Proactis SRM to automate processes for collecting and maintaining accurate up-to-date information on suppliers. This included online questionnaire templates, workflow and automatic scoring to enrich data for mandatory fields in SAP. In addition, the ability to track multiple supplier safety information, compile supplier risk profiles and verify insurance coverage during qualification and ongoing performance reviews. The results: 100% visibility of supply base accreditation, 50,000 supplier records rationalized, 6,300 suppliers accredited, and the ability to target non-compliant suppliers and spend to generate more value and savings. These customer references represent just some examples of how Proactis is delivering greater bottom line value today. We have many more examples both within your industry and indeed across different geographies and solutions. But customer success is only one measure. There are many other indicators of why Proactis is a business partner able to deliver success for your organization. Probably the first one of these indicators is our track record, or our pedigree if you like. We have a track record of providing quality products and services which are formally recognised with the latest certifications. After 20 years, Proactis has 155 staff in 7 offices and supported by a global partner network. We have a track record of success, and our focus has remained truly on best-in-class spend control and e-procurement. It's something we eat, sleep and breathe. And because of our focus, we can offer experience and expertise second to none. For our developers, it's more than coding. It's about picking the latest technologies to establish new, better processes that significantly improve bottom-line results for customers. And with our consultants, it's more than giving advice. It's about demonstrating swift and sustained return on investment. And for our support team, it's more than fixing things. It's about helping you achieve a high level of spend control performance year on year. Another measure of our track record is reflected in our geographic growth. Proactis' first mainland European customer was in 1996, our first North American customers in 2006, and our first Far Eastern customers in 2010. And now there are over 500 organisations across 90 countries worldwide using Proactis solutions, ensuring our philosophy remains truly international. So why is this all important? Well, overall, we've described Proactis as proven reinventors, having a proven international support capability, a successful long-term growth strategy, and a blue-chip list of customers. Another measure of our ability to deliver success is demonstrated by a people philosophy, which is encapsulated in our values. Everything we do is customer-focused. Our procedures, our development, and our delivery are all designed around our customers' needs and expectations. One example of this is our approach to deploying spend control. We offer a unique structured process fully designed around your business that will enable you to realize the savings and process improvement benefits identified in your original business case, to speed time to benefit and maximize your ultimate return on investment, and establish a framework for continuous improvement supported by a practical set of KPIs. In the preparation stage, our people will work with you to lay the foundation for the success of your entire spend control project. The focus is on establishing a plan that connects the expectations of your executive team based on the business case used to start your project with the time-phased activities that will be undertaken by the project team to achieve these objectives. The transition process is performed in 3 well-defined phases. It is designed to help you quickly experience Proactis solutions within the context of your company using best practice process flows, then effectively engage representative stakeholders to refine those process flows to your unique environment. And then in the optimization phase, your focus on continuously measuring, improving, and expanding the results you have targeted. By measuring and managing your established KPIs, you focus on achieving the goals and benefits defined in your business case. This could be policy compliance, could be savings, process time, it could be cost reduction or risk reduction. Proactis is committed to helping you achieve your spend control goals, and that's why we've developed this very unique SMART transition methodology. One final indicator of our ability to deliver success is represented in our organisation and the way we account for it. Proactis had a very strong year in 2015 and remains rapidly growing and a financially strong business. The group's reported revenues increased by 69% to 17.2 million. The group's acquisitions are fully integrated and contributing, and the underlying organic growth in the Proactis business is very strong. Also, our investment in research and development continues to grow, and we will continue to invest sufficient amounts to remain a leader in our market. Proactis has negligible gearing and net cash, and we invite you to explore our accounts in detail as they are representative of Proactis' financial stability and prudent accounting methods. But 2 of Proactis' greatest assets are not shown on our financial statements. The first is our people. Our investment in training, recruitment and professional development continues to grow. We are a people business. We just happen to have a great suite of software and range of expert and managed services as well. And the second is our customer base, which continues to provide us with both the financial stability and referenceability to achieve success in the future. This is where we are today, but what about our future? Our customers remain the force behind our expansion. New markets and strategic alliances present us with new opportunities for both geographic growth and broader solutions. Increasing market share will in turn provide further impetus for development. Proactis will continue to respond to technology advances, and in partnership with our customers, we will provide leading-edge solutions which respond to the rapidly changing commercial realities. Providing spend control solutions in a business world that has been constrained by compromise and delivering greater bottom line value for all our customers worldwide is our mission. Contact our friendly team today to arrange a face-to-face meeting. We'd love to hear from you and show you how Proactis can deliver dramatic benefits very quickly.